big old brick of cream cheese at Sam's Club, but you could use that with the smaller packages as well. We're doing 3 different kinds, and instead of a container or a plate, we're just gonna make some aluminum boats, make it easy. Some people say you should use the shiny side up. Some people say you should use the dull side up. It really doesn't matter. The first one we're going to be using our sweet preacher on, just a little bit, and then we're going to score the top of it. Next one we're going to be using this sweet rub of mine. And the last one we're using the Honey Hog. Not much of this one left, pretty good stuff. Now we're just going to score the top of each one a little bit so we get some nice marks here. There we go. And they don't look like much right now, but when it cooks it'll look great. Go double lines on this one. Perfect crosshatch. See how it looks after. Alright, now we're going to take these on the barbecue. Here, stick around. What's up, you guys? We got the flamethrower. We got a little bit of charcoal left from last time. It doesn't take much over here. We just need a little bit of a low medium heat. Get those cheeses nice and cooked. All right, that's all we're gonna do, guys. We only need to get it started a bit. We're gonna clean with onion, put a little bit of our apple up on here, and then we're gonna store our cheese on, and then about an hour, 2 hours later, it'll be done. I would just leave that right there. Get you a nice piece of apple wood also. A couple small ones will do, it'll be alright. Alright, you guys, we're ready for our cream cheese. We made little boats for each one. Keep it in its own little zone. We'll put those on there. Yeah, at about an hour, 2 hours. You can leave it on there as long as you want. We're gonna check it again. All right, you guys, it's been about an hour. Do a little check-in. We're right around 270, 260 or so. Here, come check it out. Looking pretty good. We want to let them go a little bit longer though. All right, you guys, we got a storm popping up behind us. It's been about an hour, so let's give them a check. I'm pretty sure they're done. Oh yeah, you guys, look at those beauties. All right, take these off of here. Oh yeah. Look at these inside where it's nice and dry, and we'll show you how they came out. Alright, you guys, it's been about 2 hours, and these are perfect. I don't know what your favorite crackers are, but I love these here, Keeblers. We're gonna go in here. We got the, they're all looking pretty good, but I love the crosshatch on this here, Honey Hog. The sweet preacher looks pretty good too. But yeah, the scoring definitely gives you more flavor. It allows the smoke to kind of penetrate those crevices. And this is also good if you guys want to put some jam after about an hour. Throw it on there, but literally get a little smoke flavor on the outside first. Here's the Honey Hog. Friends, before I forget to tell you, be sure to follow and subscribe so you don't miss the next updates. Thank you. How's it going? That's pretty good, a little bit more savory. I like that. And this sweet preacher over here. Look at that. Oh, it's beautiful. Bet it's gonna taste beautiful here too. Ooh, this is similar to this one, with less sweet and more savory. I'd say the Honey Hog is probably the sweetest, which is kind of, you know, not surprising. All of them are super good though. 2 hours on the smoker, low heat, a little bit of wood. That's all you guys need. Here, stick around for the next one. Thanks for watching.